everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. For today's video I will be doing some very easy high-end modern home decor using Dollar Tree stickers and rub-on transfers. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. Starting with my first DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree 8x10 picture frame. Now I absolutely love this color. It looks so high-end, but Dollar Tree does carry other ones that you can use instead. They have a plain gold frame, plain black frame, and I believe I've seen other with gold frames, but this one to me stand out the most because it looks very high-end. So I'm going to add some vinyl and this Dollar Tree wallpaper. The vinyl I'm using, it is from Cricut. I already have this, that's why I'm using it, but Dollar Tree does carry vinyl that you can use instead. So I will be using the glass as the background. I will be adding half of the black vinyl on one side, and then for the other side I will be using the wall sticker sheet. Now I'm going to measure them first and then cut them. Adding the wall sticker was so easy and simple to do. Now for the vinyl, I didn't use any transfer paper and I didn't use the scraper tool. That's why it bubbled on me just a little bit, but I did try to smooth it out the best I could with my hands. And look how beautiful this frame looks. Now you can leave it like this. This is such a high-end decor piece already that you don't have to add anything to it. But I found these rub-on transfer stickers that were gold, so I decided to use them. I will be cutting this little word that says love, and I'm going to add it to the corner. These rub-on stickers were so easy to work with, and look how beautiful this looks. Now once again, you can leave it like that, but I found these gold feathers at the Dollar Tree that I decided to use a few of them. And that is it for this beautiful high-end home decor piece. The next thing I will be doing is just adding a little bit of gold to this Dollar Tree vase. I did use the Dollar Tree gold paint marker, but since it was very old, it was already dried out, that it didn't work. So then I remember I had this gold paint from the brand Folk Art, and that is what I used. And look how beautiful this vase turned out. You can use it different ways. You can just use it just like a decor piece, or you can actually use it as a vase and add some greenery to it. For my next project, I will be using this 4x4 picture frame. Now this was so easy and simple to do yet again. So I'm going to start by tracing the glass on the wallpaper, and then I'm going to peel and stick the sticker on the glass. Now you don't have to do this, you can just honestly use the wallpaper like if it was a picture, and then just add it to the picture frame. Once you're done putting the back piece back on the frame, you can honestly just leave it like this, or you can add more things to it like I will. I'm adding some of the little rub-on transfer stickers. I'm adding this that says XOXO. Now one thing I wish I had done was add it more to the corner instead of the center. And that is it for this beautiful decor. From Dollar Tree, I will be using this decor piece. Now, once again, this was so easy and simple to do. Now, all I did was I removed the back and the paper. The only reason I'm removing the paper is because of the wall sticker. You can see a little bit of the black through, but as you can see, I couldn't remove everything, so I just left it like that. Now, once I am done doing this, I'm going to peel and stick the paper on the back piece, and basically that is it. The next thing I did was just put this back on the frame and added a little heart in the center. I'm using these gold stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using the little heart. But that is it for this decor. From Dollar Tree, I will be using this floral vase. Now, this is not new to Dollar Tree. I actually got this a couple of months ago, and I decided to just use this. Now, I will be covering the gray part on the vase using the wallpaper, and that is all I'm doing to this vase. Once I was done adding the sticker paper, all I did was paint the center using the gold paint. And that is it. The next thing I will be doing is another quick and easy DIY from Dollar Tree. I will be using one of these candles, and I'm going to make this a two-tone. So I'm using some painter's tape so I can paint the bottom with some black chalk paint. Once I was done painting this, I did let this dry completely, and then I removed the tape. Even though I used the painter's tape, it still bled through, so I just used my finger to scrape some of the paint off to make it look more even. The next thing I was going to do is add some of these beautiful feather rub-on stickers, but they did not work. I don't know what happened to mine, but every time I peeled the plastic, some of the feather was peeling with it. So I tried to see if all of them were like that, and unfortunately they were. So instead of using these, I decided to use the other ones I was already using, which I found the perfect one. This one that has these little hearts and says love begins at home. So I'm going to use this one instead. Now, I do recommend you to be very careful with these stickers. I almost messed this up. I did mess up the A and the M, but you can still tell it says love begins at home. And that is it for this beautiful candle. I try not to give up on the feathers, so then I tried to add this to this candle thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, but that didn't work either. So then I was like, let me just rub these off on this and make it look like it had like these gold flakes, but that didn't work either. So then I was like, let me just use the gold paint I have and paint this gold, and then I added a little candle at the top, and that is it. This next DIY is my favorite from Dollar Tree. I got one of these Valentine Decor book stack. Now, I got these, like I said, during Valentine, but Dollar Tree carries some, I think, I'm not sure if I'm not mistaken, I seen some with the nautical theme. But if you can't find none of these, you can always use the Dollar Tree crate. Now, I'm going to paint this using some black chalk paint, and I did paint the entire thing. Once this was dry, I used the gold paint to paint the book in the middle gold. Look how beautiful this looks. Now the next thing I will be doing is decorating this using the gold rub-on transfers. I am using the word that says blessing, and I'm adding that to the bottom book. Now for the top book, I used the word family. I will be leaving the middle book blank. Now, I didn't give up on the feathers, so I tried to use one, and this one actually kind of worked. It had most of the feather, and I still used it, and I just added to the side of the blessing, and that is it for this beautiful book stack. For my last and final DIY, I will be using this white hanging board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and here I'm showing you the paint I have been using, this beautiful gold paint from the brand Folk Art. Now I'm going to paint the frame. I decided to give the feather sheet one last chance. I was like, if I remove the plastic and most of the feather stays on, I will use it. So I tried to be very careful, and a little bit of the feather came off. but I still decided to use it because, like I said, most of it stayed on there. Now this was a little bit hard to transfer, I'm guessing because this is a white erase board. And this is how it looks. Now you can leave it like this, or you can add something on the side, like, I don't know, love. You can add blessing, you can add home using black stickers, even the Robon's transfer stickers that you see right here. But what I decided to do is use some vinyl and add some stripes to it on the side. And that is it for this decor. And that is it for these easy and simple modern high-end home decor DIYs. Let me know down in the comment section which one's your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.